Nutrition Club members and guests. At our previous meeting, many of you asked what you can make with eggplants because you've been receiving so many in your food bags lately. This week, we'll be going to France for some inspiration. This recipe is called Ratatouille. Some of you know this dish because you watched the Disney movie. It is a classic dish that is historically known as a peasant dish. First, I coated my cast iron pan with tomato sauce that was canned from one of our previous videos. If you don't have a cast iron pan, you could always use just a regular baking dish. Then I slice my vegetables a 1/4 inch thick at most. They can be sliced very thin like in the movie, but it can be a lot more work. A traditional ratatouille calls for zucchini, yellow squash, tomatoes, and eggplant. Vegetable slices in order of yellow squash, zucchini, tomato, and then eggplant. Because this is a round dish, I start on the outside and make my way in. If you have a square or rectangular shaped dish pan, you can always stack them in straight rows. I like to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese before and after baking. Cover your dish with aluminum foil and bake for 40 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake for an additional 20 minutes. It can either be served as a vegetable side dish or a whole meal in itself, just like on Ratatouille. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking this CHP logo in the corner.